Hey, yo, it's your boy EVsmokeATX, Big Texas. Hey, I'm coming here today. I want to do a video right quick here and talk about what's going on outside, but not just what it's raining out here in the Texas area, just like, for days and weeks and so on. But anyway, that's not the point I'm trying to make here. The point I'm making here today, I want to talk about, I just love how the Tesla app continues have improvements alone. Just the app alone I'm talking about today, not the vehicles or anything, but it just once again show you how amazing product is here. So I want to talk about it here from my phone. I was trying to find my cable. I wanted to try to like a mirror image so I can probably show it on their monitor there, but I can't find the cable at the time. And I wanted to catch it and do the video while it's still raining and sprinkling out there right now. So I want to show you this right quick. So I'm going to go into my phone here. I'm going to go to the Tesla app. Let's see. Home. Okay. So we are in here at the home. I don't know if you can see that on the screen right now. You see the little raindrops. Oh gosh, I had to put my phone on do not disturb. But the raindrops here. You see the raindrops there, as you can see. Let me make sure. Yeah, I got it up here. Let me turn this on do not disturb because I'll be having all calls. I want to call in the middle of me. Want to show this. But so yeah, for example, I like this little, this from one of the latest updates where it just showed in real time what's going on outside as well. But not just that, I want to show here. I want to tap in about my Powerwalls and show you with the solar panel earlier. Now, because there's no sun out right now. Just daylight. There's no sun out, but those panels are steady. Right now, they're producing 2.4 kilowatts right now as we speak. You see the rain coming down on the house. Pretty dope. But I want to show it ain't doing it now because it's going. As you can see, the panels. We're not using it. Matter of fact, I can turn the AC on there. Give me a second. I'm going to turn the AC on. I want to use a little bit more power. We don't got the AC on per se right now because it is a little chilly outside and it's nice and cozy inside right now. At least until my wife get home. She like to keep it freezing in here like an ice box off the record. But anyway, so the house is not using that much kilowatts at the time, but we're producing more. We're producing just along with no sun. We're producing enough where you see it's going to the power walls once again, and then it's providing power to the house. Zero off the grid, but what it's doing though is topping the walls back off. We keep it at 20% reserve for like a power outage or anything like that happens. Even like at nighttime or whatever, we still reserve power there. That's what that means. But as you can see right now, it's putting energy back to the grid. But like I said, also too, like I said, I like the little feature. Where is that right here? I want to show you right here the status. Once again, it tell you what's going on. Let me see, kind of zoom in there. You see right there, it's tell you power provided by the solar, even though it's low. It's low. It's letting you know it's low. It's producing low though. And then afternoon, the power walls will take over and power your home after sunset. But you see, it's no rain. So give me a second. I'm going to turn the AC on. Well, I can do it from the app here. Matter of fact, let's see. I'm going to let you look out there at that sun right quick while I go in here and let's see. I'm going to turn the turn it downstairs on. I'm going to kick it down. I'm just going to kick the AC on. It's 71 in here. Now we're going and I should hear it kick in here in a second here. I want to show this here. Okay, I just heard it kicked in. So now I'm going to go back. Now we're going to go back to the app. Now it should be, when I go back to this app and refresh, that should change there. There you go. You see? With the unit pulling downstairs, the AC unit pulling downstairs. So now you see we're using more in the home now, for example, than we're producing, right? No sun out there, just daylight and rainy. You see the rain coming down. But now as you see now it's gonna give it a second, it's gonna stop. It's pulling power from the solar from the power walls, but it's gonna stop that in a minute. or at least it will stop it till I got to reserve that 20%. Now, if I go in there and change it to 25 or whatever, I'm not gonna mess with it right now though. But if I wasn't, if the battery was at, let's just say 20%, once it's going, start, because it's going down. Once it goes to 20%, it's going to stop pulling powers from the power walls because it's on reserve. Then what it's going to do is, if the solar power is not providing enough power than what the home is actually using, then it'll start pulling from the grid. You see? Then it's which it was doing it earlier this morning. It's like 11 now. It was like maybe like 9 something. I was meaning to do the video then, but I had to do something this morning here, so I couldn't get to it at that time. But now, like I said, I just want to demonstrate and show. Now you see, still once again though, we off the grid. Pulling. There's just another benefit. You see, once again that's zero. As always, the reverse metering. Net. Zero. So the less you use, the better. And also when you're putting back, you're feeding back. So we're getting credit, negative, in the negative. So which is always a good thing. But the solar panels, like I said, you see 2.1 now. Like I said, because no sun out there. But the house is using 3.9 kilowatts, 4.0, and so on and so on. But like I said, you see that the Powerwall is putting the power to the house and the solar panels. But if it was, let's just say, just get to 20%. If it gets down to 20%, because typically what it does, if you're producing more power with the solar panels and less in home, it's going to top the power walls off to 100%. Once it tops that off to 100%, then if it's still the same, then the excess energy that we're producing is going to go to the grid. It's going to go that way instead of out that way. So that we're feeding back to the grid once that happens. But so yeah, I just want to demonstrate that. And like I said, it's just amazing. I just love this app update. Like I said, it tells you what's going on in real time now. Communicating, see, powered by solar and power walls. So now if I turn the AC off or turn it back up, because I don't need it cold in here. 71 is pretty comfortable, and it's a little chilly outside as well. So now I'm gonna go back. For example, I'm just going to turn the AC back down because I'm good. I don't need it till my wife gets. She's going to go. When she get home, she cranks it down. Have it freezing. Because like I said, currently it's 71 in here. I don't need that. Same thing upstairs. So yeah. So now I just heard it go back off. See, now watch this. So watch this. Watch this. Give it a second. It's going to update. And look at it. See, now we're only using 0.7 kilowatts in the home. You see that? So now, once again, we're producing solar even without the sun and sprinkling outside without the sun, just daylight. We're providing power, and it's going back to now what it's doing now is going to the power walls to top that out to 100%. 1.8 kilowatts. So once this gets to 100%, and everything pretty much stays the same, it's going to the excess, whatever's going to the house, and then the excess is going to go back to the grid. So it's feeding back to the electric company. So hey, sustainable energy, I'm telling you, is the way to go. As long as you have it done right and you have it, you get it, a reputable company, and you do your homework and research what's benefits for your needs and your needs. So you watch this now. It's going to say powered by solar. So right there, the solar itself is just providing, and it's telling you right here, cloudy. Look at that. And light rains are limiting production today, which is why your charge level is low. There you go. So if we had that beautiful sun out here beaming right now, it'll be way more than that producing, kicking off, and they'll top that off in no time though. But yeah, that's just a quick demonstration. Once again, I can't stress how much of a smart investment that it was. Like I said, we producing our own energy, and at the time I don't have a car plugged up. I don't have the car plugged up because I went on a run this morning. Made some errands and so on. I don't have a car plugged up. Definitely, the smoke, for example, smoke is just over there in standby mode. He's just over there chilling. But yeah, anyway. But yeah, that's all I want to, make a quick demonstration there and just show that the beauty of the updates along, even with the app. How it is. Hey, sustainable energy is the way to go. That's what I'm about. Team Tesla. Hey, you gotta love it. But there's other companies out there too making some good, amazing product as well. So look into it. You should always look into it and just look at your options and consider thinking about it. It never hurts to listen and get a proper understanding of things. That's why I love doing what I do now with with my channel. In the midst of I'm not racing right now because of, hey, the weather won't let up. I want to go race this weekend once again, but hey, you can't do nothing about, you can't control Mother Nature. Just blessed to be on Earth. You know what I mean? So hey, but yeah, if you find this helpful, it helped the channel out. Hit the like there. It helps out, but also too, definitely, I'm gonna say it. If you want to, if you find it helpful, come, give your boy a try. Like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more. It's your boy. Peace. Boom. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell.